Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster border city. Today we're checking out this beautiful pre-owned 2016 GMC Sierra all-terrain. Now the exterior color is a black, and under the hood we have a 5.3-liter V8 engine paired to an automatic transmission. Now at the front we have our HID halogen headlamps, as well as our daytime running lights and a pair of fog lamps. We also have our two tow hooks and our color match front bumper with our front parking sensors. Over at the side we have our 20-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in our Wrangler all-terrain tires, as well as we have our OEM running boards and our chrome mirror caps and chrome door handle caps. We also have our privacy tinted windows at the rear and our sliding sunroof on top. At the rear, we have our trailer and tow package, which includes a 4 and 7-pin connection, as well as reverse sensors paired to a backup camera. We have our rear bumper tailgate steps, as well inside the box we have a spray and bed liner with a soft tonneau cover on top, and at the rear window we have an embedded defroster with a power slide feature. At the interior, there are tons of great driver-friendly features, including power windows with power locks, as well as power adjustable and foldable mirrors, and memory seating for the driver. And as we get into the interior, we have a nice black leather with the driver and passenger can enjoy a fully adjustable seat with lumbar support. Now as we look at our steering column, we have our integrated trailer braking system and our automatic headlamp dial with our 4-wheel drive engagement. And over at our steering wheel, we have our cruise control settings with our heated steering wheel on the left. And over to the right, we have our hands-free and information system controls. As you look up, we have our auto-dimming rear view mirror with our cabin lights and our sliding OEM sunroof. At our dash cluster display for the driver, you'll notice we have 31,595 kilometers on this Sierra. And also comes with a heated steering wheel for the driver. And over at our display, we have our audio control, phone connectivity, as well as Onstar and navigation. And down below we have our dual climate control area, which includes heated seats for both driver and passenger. And as you look down, we have our parking sensors, as well as our hill descent with our cargo light, and our traction control with our foot pedal adjustment switch. And underneath we have our 12-volt adapter with our dual USB ports and an AC outlet. And as you look at our center console, we have a big cubby-hold storage with 2 cup holders in the rear. And at our center console, there's tons of storage underneath and lots of comfort on top. And at the rear, passengers have tons of door storage, as well as power windows, and more storage in the rear of the driver and passenger seat. And as you look at the back of the center console, we have a 12-volt adapter with 2 cubby-hold storages. And as we look at our 60/40 bench seating in the rear, there's tons of legroom, as well as lots of headspace to fit 3 passengers comfortably. And when there's no person sitting in the middle, we can fold down our centerpiece for 2 more cup holders and extra arm support. If there are any more questions about this beautiful GMC, please do not hesitate to contact our professional and friendly sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions that you may have. And I would also like to take the time here to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.